G'day guys, Calvin, Coaching Company in New Zealand. It's a quickie for the morning because guys love a quickie. The light is terrible here, isn't it? Look at that. Sun's coming up. 3UZ ECUs. How do we identify them really quickly, whether they're a 5-speed or a 6-speed? I'm actually sitting on the floor by my ECU drawer, and we're going to get them out, run through them really quickly. I'll show you. And it's the number of screws it's had. Kind of appropriate to talk about screws and quickies. Right, we're swapping around. Watch this. Here's an ECU. See, there's my drawer. This is my stock that I've got at home when I'm doing little jobs, because I do a lot of my reflashing at home. I've also got more at the workshop. Some of these are stuffed. Anyway, this one. It says right here it's a 5-speed, so it's probably a 5-speed, so we don't need to worry about that. Oh, wait, we're talking about screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 5-speed. It's a JDM Celsius, this one. 89661 50590. It's going to be going in my LS430. Yeah, my 5-speed. Okay, what is this one? Oh, it's my test one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 5-speed. 590. Oh, I've got to be careful to put them down because someone might get upset because I'm banging things. Another screwing video reference. What's this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5-speed. Wet ECU from the USA. 50680. Okay, and of course these numbers, guys, we can put them into Toyo DIY. Spit out what they fit. Shall I put that in there? No, I'm not going to do that. I might do yet. This is it says it's a 6-speed. Oh, yep, 1, 2 screws, so it's a 6-speed. Put some numbers in. They're all the same. 50710. That there, 50. That's LS platform, so LS400, LS430s. These are 430s, of course. Celsius. Okay. Careful. Don't want to bang it. People get upset. Not a 430 ECU. It's a 400 ECU. Oh, look. This one's got wings. So it's not going to be LS, is it? It isn't. There's the number. 30 is a Crown or Aristo. D30. Six-speed. One, two, three, four. 5-speed. 590 Celsius. Are we getting the picture here, guys? Are you learning? Oh, look. It's a 6-speed. 580. Oh, so this one I've actually done a bit of a swap around. It's actually a 320. So that's a GS 430 ECU. Oh, of course, you guys don't get Aristos. Well, Aristo platform and GS is the same platform. All right, guys, I was just checking that GS Aristo thing, and you see here most of the part numbers are 30, 30, 30, 30. This is because it's a shared one, as it runs across multiple models, same as the pressure sensor, same as the water temp, and then it's 30, 30, 30. Engine control ECU, 30. That's one of those 6-cylinder ones, but I got what I was talking about. Okay, there is a parts reference. Let's go to parts reference. Right there, I don't want to do there. I want to do the crossover thing. So I go here, select my part number. And you can see, I use this website nearly every day. Nearly every day. We'll put some 89661 dash. We went with that. We'll go with that one that we said was a Celsius ECU. So we're going to go search. See here it says 2000 to 2006 Celsius UCF30. That doesn't tell us whether it's a 4-speed or a 5-speed. So we've got to click on here. Whee! 2000 to 2003, 2000 to 2003, 2000 to 2003. You'll notice here, production rate is 6th month of 2003. So the guys in the USA go, well, you didn't get a 5-speed in 2003. Oh, no, you didn't get a 6-speed. Guys, life outside the USA. Yes, we did. So we can have a 2003 6-speed and a 2003 5-speed. Because over here, it's when it's first registered. It's not the model year. It's the registered time. Okay. If it's a used import, it'll come in as the first year it was registered in Japan. Over here, so there's the different options. Japan, 3UZ, 5 floor change. 5 floor change. 5 floor change. Okay. 5-speed. Easy. I'm just going to go up here. I'm going to cheat. 710. And I've got all these ticked, so it brings up all the options. It's another Celsius. 2003, 7th month, July. 2003, 2006. There's the submodels. 6 floor change. 6 floor. That's a 6-speed ECU. So you can double check with the Toyota DIY. See why I like it so much. Right, back we go. What's this one? 50820. It's going to be Cullum's hard start issues. It's a 5-speed. Nope, I lie. It's a 6-speed. Look at there it is. Okay, do you get that? 2 screws, 6-speed. 4 screws. Hey, my light shines through my fingers. 5-speed. Okay. Hope that's been really helpful. Talk to you again soon. Catch you later.